Hey, what's going on, people? My name's Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible News. We've got the second video of today. I wanted to round up what's happened today. Obviously, we have had a little bit of a recovery in the market. So I thought I'd go through the news and have a look and see what's going on for you guys. Bitcoin back above 40K after the biggest crash in over a year. Bitcoin believers remain bullish throughout Black Wednesday, and now the top coin has begun to rebound. We take a look at this article which says, on Wednesday, the price of Bitcoin plummeted as low as $30,415. I even know that on some exchanges it went a little bit lower than that as well. Now, the vast majority of altcoins followed the trend as well, with as much as 500 billion wiped off the entire market in less than a day. Now, many people actually blame the sell-off news of yet another ban on Bitcoin in China. However, this doesn't actually seem the case according to this article. Many mainstream media outlets misreported that news. Now, on Tuesday, a group of Chinese banking and payment associations merely reiterated the same rules and warnings that have been in place since 2017. And the central bank reshared their warning on social media. Now, I don't know if many of you guys were around back in 2017's bull run, but back then China did actually come out and state that they are banning Bitcoin. And all they've actually done is just reiterate that news again. What's obviously happened is caused a lot of FUD in the market. You know, people started panicking. They thought it was fresh news. It started getting retweeted on Twitter, and obviously it's just blowing up into something, that has already been reported before. So again, it looks like it's nothing really to worry about. So anyway, we move on. Amidst the chaos, members of the crypto community remain mostly unfazed. Nick Carter, founding partner at Castle Island Ventures and co-founder at Coinmetrics, framed Bitcoin's volatility as an endemic feature of the asset class, reflecting its future adoption trends. He also believes that while Musk's recent comment on Bitcoin played a role in the latest crash, this is certainly not the sole reason. Now, I don't know if you guys did watch the earlier video, however, there was a report that came out that people were actually saying that this was meant to happen. Okay, this was actually part of the trend of Bitcoin, and now it's a really, really good buying opportunity, and that everything is just on sale. What do you guys think about it? Please let me know. What have you guys actually done today? Did you buy the dip, or have you just sold out? Were you scared? It looks like the market's recovering pretty well. So yeah, let's move on to the second section. We've got a little segment here from Bloomberg TV again, and it comes out and says, volatility is an endemic feature of Bitcoin, says Coinmetrics co-founder Nick Carter. So what is driving all of this volatility? In my opinion, there's quite a lot of reasons, but obviously everyone's got their own opinions, I suppose. Danny Scott, CEO of UK-based cryptocurrency exchange Coin Corner, agreed that newcomers could be scared off by witnessing their first dramatic dip in Bitcoin's price. I certainly know a lot of people that have just recently joined the market, and they were definitely scared. I mean, my phone was buzzing quite a lot when it came to the crash yesterday, and I suppose it's all about just keeping calm and making the right decisions for yourself. However, he goes on to say, this is normal for a bull run, he tweeted. Fundamentals have not changed. Infrastructure building has not changed. Bitcoin becomes stronger from these events. Focus on the long term, not the short. This seems to be the message from quite a lot of people recently, to just hodl through everything, and hopefully we come out on top in the end. I just wanted to end this segment off for you guys by giving you guys a quote from Meltem Demirors, Chief Strategy Officer at CoinShares. Basically spins the recent crash as a positive long-term development. It's been really frothy. The Miros told CNBC there was a lot of leverage in the market. She's confident that the correction is healthy and that a pullback is normal in crypto. Again, yet another high-profile person with credibility behind them going on and saying that this is just a healthy correction. Again, another person coming out with some credibility behind them, coming out and saying that, this happens in crypto, it's just a pullback, just hold through and hopefully it will come out okay. And, let me know what you guys think about it, what your opinions are. There seems to be a lot of different opinions out there. However, it does seem like a lot of high-profile people with credible profiles are saying that this is normal. It is just a pullback. And for the long-term future of crypto and Bitcoin itself, it's a good thing. Right, guys, just want to move on to segment 2, and it kind of relates back to what I was just saying. The headline reads that retail traders catalyzed latest Bitcoin panic sale. Now, institutional investors didn't sell much of their crypto holdings on Black Wednesday, but retail traders did, according to a new report. You know, I suppose this kind of says it all, because for those that don't know, retail traders are people such as ourselves. We're the normal retail investor investing into crypto, right? But then obviously you've got the big boys, the institutional investors, and they're the ones that didn't actually sell. It was us. And whenever there is a big sell-off, it kind of has a domino effect where people just keep selling and selling and selling, obviously due to FUD, due to fear. So yeah, let's carry on by reading this article here. Goes on by saying that retail traders and not institutional investors were the main driving force behind yesterday's Bitcoin sell-off, according to blockchain intelligence from Chainalysis. Now, cryptocurrency markets crashed on Black Wednesday, with Bitcoin dropping more than 30% before bottoming out near $30,000. Other major cryptocurrencies also saw a massive drop of up to 50%. You know, guys, something that we already know. Now, in his latest market intel report, Chainalysis chief economist Philip Gradwell pointed out that there were only 4 other days in 2017 when the end of day Bitcoin price fell by more than 25%. Gradwell listed 4 key moments: the crash in December in 2017 from Bitcoin's peak of $20,000, the fall of $10,000 in February 2018, and a continued drop to $4,000 in November in 2018. Chainalysis on Twitter tweeted, "Cryptocurrency prices have plunged 30% or more this week across several assets. Our chief economist Philip Gradwell analysed on-chain flows to investigate why, compare the crash to the previous ones, and tried to determine what would happen next. With so many new entrants only recently joining the market, the vast majority were unprepared for yesterday's volatility. What's more, the data suggests that much of the selling is from people with assets already on exchanges, who tend to be the retail investors. So people that already had their assets on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, whatever exchange you're using, they were the ones that were selling. Institutional investors do not really have all of their assets in an exchange. They'll have it safe in a different wallet somewhere. So that would be how they got their information. Now, I don't know if you guys follow pages such as whale alerts or things like that on Twitter. What they basically do is that whenever there's a large amount of money being transferred from an exchange to a wallet, or from a wallet to an exchange, it usually means that, you know, a whale is doing something. It usually indicates that someone kind of knows something. Now, yesterday there was a lot of that. I was seeing it non-stop on my Twitter. All I would see is this whale transferred a certain million amount to a cold store or to an unknown wallet, which means they're moving money from an exchange to a wallet, to one of their cold storage wallets, or they're moving money from their wallet to an exchange. Now, we don't know exactly what they would have done with the money, but usually if money is going from an exchange to a wallet, it usually means they're storing that value in a different, or that coin in a different safe wallet. According to crypto analytics platform Glassnode, there was a massive surge in Bitcoin transferred to exchanges on May 19th. In fact, it was the largest single day inflow since the March 2020 crash, when global markets collapsed due to the coronavirus break. Again, it goes to show people were obviously holding their Bitcoin in a safe wallet, and they've transferred it to an exchange because they thought it was just going to keep going. The fear was there, right? All the FUD, you know, rolling around the news. They wanted to get rid of their Bitcoin before it went even lower. Now, the chart shows that roughly 299,000 Bitcoin was moved to exchanges in 2020 as the coin's price cratered. By comparison, holders transferred roughly half that amount to exchanges yesterday. Although yesterday's inflows were lower in Bitcoin terms, the dollar amount was nearly 6 times higher than in March 2020. Roughly 1.65 billion worth of Bitcoin was moved to exchanges on March 13th, 2020. Yesterday's inflow was worth more than $6 billion thanks to Bitcoin's price growth over the past year. Bitcoin is currently trading hands at around $42,000 according to Nomics. Let me know your guys' thoughts on, again, you know, what you guys are actually thinking right now. I've spoken to a lot of friends, a lot of family who are in this market, and, you know, non-stop I'm being fed a lot of news from different outlets saying this, saying that. You know, again, I believe some more news recently came out about China again. But, you know, the interesting thing is that I've actually got an article here which says Chinese Bitcoin firm to invest 25 million in Texas mining center. So we're having a lot of FUD coming out from China regarding Bitcoin, yet this firm is about to invest 25 million in a Texas mining center for Bitcoin. The Chinese company will invest 25 million and jointly construct and operate the Texas Mining Center with Dory Greek LLC. The mining center has a total power capacity of 57.2 megawatts. Currently, the majority of Bitmining's crypto mining operations take place in China's Shushan province, a hotspot for crypto miners due to the low cost of hydroelectric power. The move to open a mining center in Texas is part of Bit Limited's objective to lower its carbon footprint. According to a prepared statement, the firm claims that more than 98% of its power capacity would be generated from green sources. So guys, that is going to end it off for today's news. It's been quite a dramatic week already. There's been a lot going on, but yet we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll give you another news update as soon as I can. And guys, before I do go, I just wanted to let you guys know about something that we want to be doing as a channel. If you guys have seen my trailer video, the very first video that we posted earlier today, we want this channel to be part of a big community, and by doing that we want to be able to answer your guys' questions. Now on our social pages such as Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, hopefully you guys are following them, the links are in the description below. We're actually going to be running polls which includes questions that I know people need answering. So you know, whether it's how to start or what the best exchange is or whatnot, I want you guys to basically vote for what you guys want to see first. And obviously the one with the biggest amount of votes, I will do that video for you guys. So like I said, I want you guys to please get involved. So we are making the videos that you guys would obviously like to see. Saying that, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know every time we upload a video. Obviously, as you can see here, I'm not at the actual studio. I just wanted to update you guys with the news as there is a lot going on. So obviously, hence the different background. But yeah, that'll be it for now, guys. Hopefully, I'll see you soon. Take care.